So here are two ways to make your first 1 million naira from crypto without capital. The first method is by participating in airdrops. With airdrops, you can get as low as 500,000 naira up to 10 million naira just by participating in some test nets or by using some projects without a token on their mainnet before they launch their token. The recent Arbitrum airdrop gave people $700 minimum up to $10,000, and there are lots of projects out there that are going to run an airdrop in 2023. The second method is by participating in crypto jobs. Crypto jobs basically means you working for crypto projects and getting paid to do the work. This would work if you have a skill like graphics design or video creation. Other jobs like community management and community moderation does not really require a technical skill from your hand. You just need to know how to manage a community. If you want to learn more about crypto jobs and potentially see projects that will run an airdrop in 2023, follow me on this special journey to make you your first 1 million naira from crypto with zero capital.